Here you go. Put it in.
Oh, he's loading the dishwasher.
Here you go.
Good girl, Arie. Did you do it, Arie? Good girl. Yay, Arie.
Oh, one more.
Oh, one more. Yay. Hurry.
Big one. It's the big one. Here you go. That's a tough one. Find a spot. Oh, good.
Oh, you found a spot. Yay, Arie.
You did it. I know. I'm proud of you.
She wants more.
Yeah.
You want to do more? Oh, that's a big one.
Here, try that one. See if you can manage that.
Whoa, what is that contraption?
Yeah, put it in.
I might want to take off with this one, she says. Oh, here, rinse this one. Arie, we got... Oh, look, Uncle. She puts it in. Look.
Here you go.
Oh, here's one, Arie. Where are you going to put that one?
Put it over there. Okay, that's fine.
Look at you. You did so good. Arie. Oh, that one didn't fit right. We got to put it like that.
I might want to eat in there.
Oh, don't do it. Arie, don't do it. Good job, Arie.
All right.
Oh, another one. Yep. In it goes. In we go.
That was cute.
Good job, Arie. Bye, Arie. Oh, she's busy. She loves it. She's loved this from what? How old was she when she first started this?
Early.
She's been loading dishwashers a long time. Haven't you? Oh, we're distracted.